You know what? Let me put this on the other screen for you guys. Um, all right. Okay. I'm just switching it over to the laptop because I remember you guys said you see it a lot better on the laptop. So give me a second. There we go. Um, okay. Can you guys see my chart? Drop it in the chat box if you can see my chart. All right, cool beans. All right, cool. So starting with the dollar, looking at the dollar, we see that we broke back below the levels. See, we had that spike up last week that I wanted to see reach for. Let's go to 4 hour so we can see. So we see we had this imbalance filled in that I've been waiting to see get filled in for a while. Um, Price extended a little bit, then came back down to retest levels, pushed down um, hard, retest this structure here, top of this. Well, this imbalance right here is what it reached for, this imbalance. And then pop back up. And then we seen today we got back below levels. That's a good indication going into the new trading week that we're going to keep selling to the downside for the dollar. We could potentially see this imbalance get filled in this week. So that's a good drop for the dollar. However, we don't predict the markets, we roll with the market. So of course we gotta wait and see um, what time and price give us for London open. Um, and we gotta break below these structures here, this structure that we're at now. Structure and this structure here. And if we can get price to break below those two structures and retest and hold that structure and can't break back above it, then it's a good indication that we'll go ahead and see this imbalance get filled in for this week. So with that being said, we know our currency pairs move in the opposite direction of the dollar. So looking at Euro USD, we can see that if the dollar keep pushing to the downside, we can expect Euro USD to keep pushing to the upside. I would love to see this imbalance here get filled in, this imbalance here, and potentially this imbalance here. And so we see we in prime position because we sitting right on top of this structure. So we could very well see Euro USD go ahead and give us an opportunity for 200 to 300 pip move this week. So keep your eyes on Euro USD. Um, Same thing with GBP USD. Get those old markups out of here. Yeah, we see if the dollar keep pushing to the downside, we expect GBP to keep on pushing to the upside. Could give us a good 225, 28 pips this week. And potentially more than that. So let's see how we start this week out with time and price. Um, Same thing with NZD USD. Dollar keep pumping down, we keep pumping up. 170 something pips potentially out of NZD USD for the week. Let's look at silver. We see if silver can hold this level that we at now, this structure. And if it does, we can expect to see silver keep pushing. We'll start back pushing to the upside. Let me see something. All right, yeah. So it would be nice if we could see silver hold this where we at now. Maybe see it give us a, because this is the 4 hour time frame. So if it came down to this structure, it would look like a big move on the hour or 15-minute time frame. So we could see silver push down to retest this engulfing candle, or aka order block, is coined by Michael Huddleston, and then see it push up to fill in this imbalance and potentially fill in this imbalance here that we have. So what I'll be expecting to see out of silver. Um, Same thing with gold. Um, if the dollar keep pushing to the downside, then we should see gold hold the level that we're at now and push on back up to fill in this imbalance. Um, yeah, so that's gold. And last but not least, well, let me take a look at Bitcoin because we have been getting some action out of Bitcoin today. Bitcoin pushed up to 40,000, and now we're gonna see what Bitcoin do with this 37,000 level. If Bitcoin hold 37,000, we can expect Bitcoin to push back up to 43,000. And then if we hold 43, 41,000, then we probably see Bitcoin get back up to like 56,000 by the end of the week. But this could be a shakedown or fake out, should I say. This could be a fake out just to grab some liquidity before they push the markets push down to 20,000. So just keep that in mind. Govern your trades accordingly, and stay woke. Looking at Euro USD, looking at U30. We see we had the market to extend up today. Coming back retesting and breaking these previous highs right here. Looks like a liquidity grab to me. So I do expect to see U30 push down to fill in some of this imbalance that we had off of this aggressive up move. All of this up move, really. We have imbalance right here, imbalance here. So we go down to the 15-minute, you can see that imbalance here, that imbalance here. So I expect for U30 to keep on pushing on down. First, filling in this imbalance, and then we see how price action reacts when it gets here to fill in this imbalance, and see how price action reacts off of this structure here. And then if we break below, then we can expect for this imbalance to be filled in and this previous low to be revisited. So with that being said, I'll stop this recording and take any questions.